Hello again, everyone. Chip Evanoff here, L3 Construction. Little progress update. We got a lot of stuff happening. Very noisy job site, so hopefully everybody can hear me all right. We got framing almost complete. Fellows got the roof deck on, got most of the sheathing on. Working on taping off all the house wrap. Ken's up there doing his thing. Ken's Carpentry, check him out. HVAC was just here doing some planning for the new heat runs with the extension of the furnace into the addition. Overall, things are looking pretty darn good. So, a lot of progress. Next week, we will update with progress on windows, patio door, siding will go on, roof will be on. A lot of progress happening very, very quickly. So stay tuned. I'm going to keep giving you as much as I can as time allows me to get down here and keep giving you updates. This is Chip, L3 Construction, Cottage Grove, Minnesota. Make sure to check out the website at www.l3const.com, like construction abbreviated. Check out all of our galleries, all of our services, past projects. Great resource to get you started if you don't know where to start. All right, guys. We will talk to you soon.